Being in debt these days has become the norm for too many families and individuals. You may have borrowed money to enrich your lifestyle, or circumstances beyond your control forced you to take on debt. You managed to have a sizable debt load that requires of you too many minimum monthly payments. This is causing you stress, sleepless nights, and you are looking for a way out. Hi, my name is George Cady. I am a money coach. In this video, I want to explain to you all the various debt consolidation strategies available for you. Find yourself overwhelmed with the minimum payment that you have to make every month. Please take action. Doing nothing is not an option. If you don't manage your debt adequately, this will lead you to financial ruins. This is not what I want for you. So if you are seeing yourself missing a payment, do not, I repeat this, do not miss your mortgage payment. If you have to miss anything, miss other payment. I'm not saying it is okay for you to miss any payment, but missing a payment on your mortgage has far more severe implication on your credit, your relationship with your lender, and your family. What are your options? There are multiple debt consolidation strategies you can adopt to deal with your debt. The first strategy is refinance your mortgage to consolidate your debt. Second strategy is take a debt consolidation loan from your bank if you can get it. The third strategy is take a second mortgage to pay off your debt. The fourth strategy is consolidate your debt via negotiating your creditor. The fifth debt is engage in a debt management program, which I flatly recommend you not to touch. File a consumer proposal, or as a last resort to dealing with your debt, file bankruptcy. A word of caution, my friends, do not take any one of these strategies without understanding the good, the bad, the ugly of this situation, and come up with an exit strategy to fix your credit and recover your finances. One thing I urge you to do is try to drop the habits that got you in debt in the first place. I urge you to seek the help of a money coach. I am a money coach who understands all these strategies, and believe you me, some of these strategies do more harm than good. I could help you choose the right strategy that fits your current debt situation, customize a financial plan, help you implement it, and stay in touch to make sure you succeed with your money. I urge you to book a free, no obligation strategy call to discuss your options. So if you found this video helpful, do us a favor, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more life-changing video like this one.